Guys, welcome back. Today we are on our way into Gatlinburg, which is a cute little touristy town tucked in the mountains of Tennessee, and we're going at the best time because look at these fall colors. So beautiful. The drive-in is absolutely amazing. It has incredible vistas. You get to drive around the top of a mountain ridge to get there and just see the valley for forever, and it's absolutely stunning. From what I know about the town, it's just super cute, great architecture, built for tourists, lots of fun, so I'm definitely excited to check it out. Straight off the bat, we park and walk into what looks like a cute little chalet on a mountainside. Like this could be a lodge, but instead it's a restaurant, and it's absolutely adorable. Hitting the main strip, I definitely was not disappointed by being told that it was a tourist destination because it just looks so fun. We started off at the Arts and Crafts Fair. Past the main entryway, there was a pretty strict no filming policy, so I didn't get a whole lot of videos of this, but it was super fun and just amazing works by a bunch of local-ish artisans, and it's a really good time if you find yourself in Gatlinburg in October. Otherwise, there is plenty to do just walking the strip. As you can see, it is full of cute little shops and, more importantly, delicious little shops. Look at all these little cookies, and they've got the history of the store on the wall. It's super cute, along with what I'm assuming is an old-timey delivery vehicle. I don't know if that's what they actually use or it's just a prop, but it is adorable. If you reach the village, quote unquote, section, it really is decked out like a little village, like a little German or French village. I'm not quite sure. It's got some elements that I'm convinced are British, and it's just the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my life, and I want to go back again and again. It's not a very large area, it's just a small collection of shops, but the detail to the building exteriors is super cute and really, really fun, and you just kind of feel like you're transported into a different area where time kind of moves more slowly and you can walk around and you're off the main drag of all the super touristy stuff. Even though this place was packed with tourists, it kind of felt secluded a little bit in its own way, which was super cute. After hitting the main strip, you got to go up to Ober Gatlinburg with a B, not a V. We chose to take our car because it was nearing the end of the day and it does close down, but you can take a chairlift. You can see some of the damage left over in the buildings and the trees from a fire that they had a few years ago. Apparently, it was absolutely devastating, and you can see by some of the wreckage left over. Otherwise, there is a lot of new growth and trees on the mountaintop. It is a beautiful, stunning drive all the way up. You will have to pay for parking if you opt to take a car instead of the chairlift, but it is also a beautiful drive. They are celebrating Oktoberfest when we get there, so it's just kind of themed a little bit differently, but it's such a cool place. You walk in and you just are struck by this nostalgic, jovial atmosphere. They have everything in this place. They have restaurants, they have souvenir shops, they have trinkets to purchase, they have food to purchase, they have alcohol to purchase, they have sodas, they have an ice rink. You can ice skate here, you can ice tube here, and the outside section is absolutely insane as well. Honestly, I wasn't prepared for everything you could do at this place. So we head outside because we want to do the Ober Gatlinburg experience with the chairlift and look at all these carnival rides we have. We've got a full-on Oktoberfest happening. We've got little beer carts, we've got the decorations, we've got a water slide, we've got carnival rides, and we've got a line to our scenic chairlift, and that's what we're going for. But seriously, this place is amazing. I'm super excited for the chairlift, and it's actually a really cool setup. It's definitely old world safety vibes. You basically just line up and the chairs just don't stop, and you get picked up, you put your own safety bar down, there's no lock, and you take off up a mountain. But honestly, it feels really secure, it feels really safe, and it is super unbelievably fun. Plus, the views, even just from the chairlift, are so cute. This place honestly blew my mind. It's just everything that you could possibly hope for in a day trip event. They've got skiing, they've got, a place to take a little gravity coaster down, they've got the alpine coaster, they've got more slides, they've got I think little bob karting. The track goes halfway up the mountain, and we saw people going down it, and it was super fun. It's just the coolest little thing to see. And then you get to the top and check out these views. Honestly, is this not the most beautiful, stunning thing you've ever seen? And we were there at the perfect time because the sun was behind kind of the trees we were in. So it's shaded natural light. So it's super bright, super gorgeous. You can see forever. All of the trees and mountains are washed in sunlight, so it really sparks the colors. You can see the golds and the reds and the greens, but you're not squinting your eyes or having to wear sunglasses or anything because you personally are in shades. They had a band playing up there. They had a place to get your pictures. It wasn't like a huge section to walk around in, and there were a few people up there, but like you could definitely get up to the rails, no problem, and just see this beautiful, gorgeous fall vista. Honestly, it was quite possibly the best part of the trip. It was so beautiful and just so peaceful and lovely to see nature. And then you hop right back on the chairlift to head back down to where you started from. Honestly, it feels a little steeper going down, but it is no less stunning, and you actually get to see more of it because you're facing it. And yeah, it was just a perfect round out to the trip, a perfect round out to the day. It was just beautiful. I'm so excited I got to go, and I'm so excited I get to share it with you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you here again soon. Bye for now.